Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about the WISER app. Alright, let's begin. First of all, which is a tool that's all about helping you get the most out of your books without spending hours reading. Its goal is to give you bite-sized book insights to help you learn quickly and stay motivated. Now we're going to explore if it's actually worth downloading it and how it actually stacks up against the other options out there. Actually, it's a subscription-based service that also offers a free tier. Free tier is a nice way to try this out before you actually commit. So, with the free version, you can browse some features, but to access the full library, you're going to need a paid plan. Now, the free plan is very limited, but if you take the paid plan, it includes book summaries in various formats, there's audio, there's text, and sometimes visuals. Now, the app primarily targets people who are into self-help, personal growth, and business insights. So, if that's your thing, then WISER might be up your alley. However, the downside is that it is subscription-based, which might not appeal to everyone. Some people might want to pay a one-time fee. Plus, while the summaries are great for the big picture ideas, they can sometimes miss the nuances and the in-depth context that you would actually get from the full text. It is best suited for anyone who wants to learn quickly and is looking for motivation or personal development insights. Basically, it's particularly popular among business professionals and students who want to stay informed without long reading sessions. But if you're someone who enjoys detailed storytelling or complex concepts, you might find these summaries a bit too simplified. Anyways, if you guys would like to check it out, its link is in the description. So that's basically all about the WISER app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.